Hello, everybody. I wanted to talk to you guys about the funding company that I've been using for the last 6 months or so. And that company is called Apex Trader Funding. It's a legit company. I've personally already got paid by them. I know a few of my friends got paid by them already whenever they got a payout for when they passed the evaluation accounts and then got to a certain profit target, they were able to take out money. Um, so the reason why I'm talking about this video about this company today specifically, I was gonna do this much later, but they are doing a 90% promotion right now. So that night, so you're basically getting accounts starting as low as $14 for the $25,000 account, $18 for the 50,000 account, and if you really want the largest account, it's a total of 68. And if you scroll down, so and I'm specifically talking about the Rhythmic Ninja Trader plan. And so originally, for example, the first account that I mentioned, it's $14 right now with a 90% dollar discount. I have the coupon code below. If you use that, you will get 90% off for the first month, and then 80% off going forward. So that's by far the best deal they've ever done. And usually they do have sometimes promotions, either 50% off or 80% off, but 90% off is unheard of. And so basically, yeah, that's why I'm making this video. I think it's a great value. So not only do you get an account to basically an account that you could trade with Rhythmic Trader, but you also get a Ninja Trader plan, a license through Ninja Trader for free, as well as the data that comes with Rhythmic data, basically, which is a great value. Either if you're starting, if you want to get into the futures market, I would recommend this than trading on a paper account, because the way you trade on these accounts, it's actually more realistic to what you would do on a live account. Because if you make money here, you're able to take out that money, kind of like your money. So it's a great place to learn. But also, yeah, even if you've been experienced trader, I would still recommend it because the value is just too great to pass by. That's why as soon as I found out about it, I almost within a month or two, I stopped trading my personal account because I was able to scale this much quicker and have a much better peace of mind. And it's a great company. So if I scroll back to the top, yeah, they've already paid about 14 million to yeah since 2022. Yeah, they have a lot of paid accounts, like monthly paid accounts, and yeah, they're almost paying out an average of $1 million a month. And they even have, like, if you scroll to the very bottom, if you go to payouts, um, they actually like uh talk about, like, disclose like who gets paid, and so it's pretty interesting. Obviously, just the first name, but so like they're pretty open about like payouts. And I mean, this is like April 5th, like just a lot of people getting paid. And I follow this community, and like everybody talks about getting paid. Nobody's like talking about withholding their I did a lot of research before I joined them because I want to make sure it's a legit company. It's not a scam, or they're not doing some like weird scenarios. But so they recently, yeah, so like yeah, for example, one of the things that I really enjoy about this funding program is so you receive 100% of your first $25,000 per account, which is insane. Like if you have 10 accounts, you could basically withdraw $250,000 before you start splitting it, and you're still getting 90% after that, which is crazy. Um, yeah, then you could request payouts 2 times per month. Their rules are pretty simple. You basically have to trade a minimum of 7 days and reach the profit target. So reaching the profit target means hitting the, for example, if you create a 50K account, you have to reach 50,300 without getting the drawdown 2,500. So once you reach that, and this is again, this is a trailing drawdown. So as your account grows, this number also grows. They do a very well job at explaining what that means. So it's yeah, to me, it's if you're a decent day trader and you have a good risk versus reward, you shouldn't be hitting this trailing threshold. Obviously, sometimes you still will, but like that's why I mean these accounts are so cheap. You could potentially risk certain trades, and you're only risking in this case $18 per account, which is insane. Yeah, they did recently launch Trade and with also Ninja Trader, but also you could trade yeah on a PC, Mac, web, because the Rhythmic Trader that's for PC only. Trade is for PC, Mac, web, mobile, so on. I actually don't know too much about this. I know it's a little bit more expensive, so I think it would be probably with a 90% on. It's gonna be either yeah, I think it's gonna be like 20 something, oh 20, which is yeah, still like for the 50K account, which is a great deal. Um yeah, so I wanted to yeah, just talk about it. Yeah, like almost present this opportunity to people that are interested. It's great to learn. It's great for if you're experienced. It's something that I'm really excited and happy that I was able to find this somewhat recently. I wish I found out about it much sooner because yeah, it improved my trading just because I was able to scale and have almost like trade my plan without kind of having this um stress behind of like, oh, like if I'm losing, let's say $1,000, I'm like, oh man, I'm losing my $1,000, um not like for example a funded company. Because even like for me, I've been a profitable trader for a few years now, but even then, it's like you when you make, let's say, 10 grand, and then you lose like let's say 5 grand of your profits, it still doesn't feel good, and it's like can't help it, but feel not necessarily stressed, but just like down about it. So I with these accounts, it just kind of removes that, and yeah, and then I was mentioning, yeah, so you get a license, Ninja Trader license. It's $75 value, and you also get market data. So like all futures data, you get that for free. as well. So yeah, it's a great option for anybody. So yeah, I did link the promo code below. I know yeah, I'm not really exactly sure when this promotion. I didn't check when this promotion will end, but yeah, feel free to sign up, and if you guys have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll definitely answer any questions. Um, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and excited to be sharing this news with you guys. Have a good day.